guys! It's your girl Christina Claire, and for tonight's vlog, we're here with
Althea and medyo late po siya, no?
buffering pa kasi yung utak niya. So,
Yeah.
for our last night here in Candabo, Pampanga, wala, magpapakit lang kami.
We gonna, take some random videos for
Memories.
Memories.
Bring back memories.
Send jowa po if you...
Yes, send Christina Claire Mateo, 0956977800. You can email me.
You can follow me on Twitter at Ianate, and for my Facebook account is Althea Mangalina.
Add me, Christina Claire.
Bayan, parang mo... Wala, ikaw. Endorse ka na. So,
Endorse mo sarili mo.
wala pong jowa bisexual.
No,
Jowa.
may Benji yan.
So, we're, I'm gonna teach you how to use this one. So, first,
Make-up
this,
vlog na lang.
Ay, guys,
Shout out.
focus. So, focus.
Gusto niya lang kasing puti ko, ganda.
Buy this one. You can use this as 3 times a week so that your skin
For our lip tint.
pretty secret.
Ayaw mo focus. Pretty secret lang to eh.
You can buy this one at
Wag na nga.
like this one. Aray, naipit
for our
sa dating kayo. Yan. So, kuhain mo nga yung mga snacks natin doon for
Wait, haul. So, go haul na lang kami.
Pure Gold! Pure Gold Haul! Ulit, nabulat ako. Pure Gold Haul! So, we bought Regis!
Oishi? Tortillas?
Yatos!
Ano to? Wala to.
And my favorite biscuit!
Hindi nagpare yung lalaki kasi mahal niya na.
My favorite
Sana all.
biscuit! So,
Tortillas ulit, piatos, and
anong tawag mo sa mga subscriber mo?
hindi ko alam.
To our di ko alam. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po sila.
Husky dapat.
So,
To our
hi
husky.
mga huskies!
Chai!
Huskies.
Hi mga chai!
So,
Parang made in China.
Baconet Street.
Oo ba?
Kailangan nawang to.
And for our
Midnight snack.
s'mores, we're using marshmallow flour.
Yes, din na kayo for sale to. For sale.
Sale. Hindi for sale. For our kasinahin sa mukha and para maalis yung mga
Ito mo tawag sa'yo.
oily mong pagbumuka. You can buy this at Pure Gold for only 55 pesos. 100
Huwag kayo
na siya.
bibili sa Watson kasi mahal to.
50 pesos na siya, guys. Look. This is charcoal oil control sheet. 100 sheet. You can
wait
you
lang.
can bring this to your school and everywhere you go.
So, for, our next vlog, magmumukbang kami.
Mukbang.
Guys, like and subscribe and comment kung gusto niyo po ng next video.
Bye mga ka-huskies!
Bye! Wait lang.
Bye-bye! epic! Ulit!
Again.
Bye mga ka-huskies!